हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल खान टेक्निकल। तो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में बात करने वाले इंश्योरेंस डेफिनेशन एंड अदर, आपको इसके रिलेटेड व्हाट इज इंश्योरेंस। इंश्योरेंस इज कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय पॉलिसी इन विच पॉलिसी होल्डर रिसीव फाइनेंशियल प्रोटेक्शन against loss is form of insurance company. The company to make payment afford insured. Most people have some insurance for their car, their house, their health care, on their life insurance policy against financial loss resulting from incidents, injury and property damage. Insurance also help cover costs associated with liability, legal responsibility for damage, injury caused to the third party. Key takeaway: insurance is correct policy in which insured indemnify another against losses from specific condition. There are many types of insurance policies. Life, health, home owner and auto are among the most common form of insurance. The core component that make up most insurance policy and the premium deductible and policy limit. How insurance work: many insurance policy type all available. Any individual business can find an insurance company writing insure them of price. Common are auto, health, home owner and life insurance. Most individual in the United States have at least one of these type of insurance, and car insurance is required by state law. Business obtain insurance policy from field specific risk. For example, fast food restaurant policy make cover an employee injury from the cooking with a deep fryer. Medical malpractice insurance cover injury or death related liability claims resulting from the health care provider negligence and malpractice. A company may use insurance broker of record to help them message the policies of its employee. Business may be required by state law to buy specific insurance coverage. Then next important of regulating the state level, there are also insurance policy available for every specific needs such as kidnap and ransom insurance, identity thief insurance and vending liability cancellation insurance. Insurance policy component: understanding how insurance work can help you choose a policy. From instant comprehensive coverage may or may not be right type of auto insurance for you. Their components of any insurance: the premium, policy limit and deductible. Policy premium is price typically a monthly cost. Often insurer take multiple factors into account to set a premium. Here are a few examples: auto insurance premium, your history, property claim, age, location and many other factors that may vary by state. Home insurance premium, the value of your home, personal location, claim history, coverage amount. Health insurance premium, age, life insurance much depend insurance of risk and claim. For example, suppose you own several expensive automobile and history of other. In the case, we will likely pay more. Auto policy price however, different insurer may charge different premium of similar policy. So Real prize a right to required work. Hopefully understand this video must be subscribe and press the bell icon.